Did you know that frankincense oil, often referred to as the king of oils, has a history as rich as its aroma? It's not just an ancient relic. This powerful oil can actually influence your mood and health in ways modern science is just beginning to uncover. Hi there, I'm Stacey Paulson, and welcome to Discover Natural Solutions, where we're all about empowering purpose-driven families just like you with the knowledge to feel great naturally. Our mission: to dive deep into the world of natural remedies and essential oils, helping you to create a greater impact both inside and outside your home. In today's video, we're going to explore 4 uses of frankincense oil that go beyond its heavenly scent, from enhancing your skincare routine to potentially supporting your immune system. We're uncovering the lesser known benefits of this ancient remedy. So if you're ready to transform your wellness journey with the power of nature, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights into natural solutions that can elevate your life. In the heart of the ancient trade routes lies the story of frankincense. This precious resin, harvested from the boswellia tree, has been a symbol of life, health, and spirituality for thousands of years. Today, scientists and historians alike are captivated by frankincense's enduring legacy. It not only helps with the healthy inflammatory response, but also has some secret properties that are hailed in contemporary medicine, echoing the ancient intuition of its healing powers. Surprising use number 1. As we continue our journey through the incredible uses of frankincense oil, let's dive into a surprising application that not only benefits our health, but also our homes. Imagine transforming your living space into a sanctuary of cleanliness and tranquility, all while using products that are kind to the environment and our well-being. That's where frankincense oil, a gem in the world of essential oils, steps in as a natural household cleaner. Frankincense oil, known for its antiseptic and disinfectant properties, offers a powerful natural solution to keeping our homes clean without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. Its ability to purify and cleanse makes it an excellent choice for a DIY cleaning spray that's both effective and non-toxic. Now let me share with you a simple yet potent recipe for a frankincense cleaning spray. All you'll need is a glass spray bottle, distilled water, white vinegar, and of course, frankincense essential oil. Combine 1 cup of distilled water with a ½ cup of white vinegar, then add 15 to 20 drops of frankincense oil. You're going to shake well before each use. You'll have a versatile cleaning spray that not only disinfects surfaces, but also fills your home with a calming, uplifting aroma. So the next time that you reach for a cleaner, remember that nature has provided us with a powerful tool like frankincense oil, capable of transforming our homes into havens of purity and tranquility. Surprising use number 2. In the bustling world we live in, finding solace and tranquility can sometimes seem like a distant dream. But what if I told you that a simple, ancient remedy could be the key to unlocking a more serene and stress-free life? Frankincense oil, revered for centuries for its healing properties, holds a special place in aromatherapy for its ability to soothe the mind and to uplift the spirit. Its woody, earthy scent acts as a natural calmer, reducing stress and anxious feelings and promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. But how can you incorporate this ancient wisdom into our modern lives for mental health benefits? First, let's start with a simple yet effective method: diffusing frankincense oil in your living space. Just add a few drops of oil to your diffuser and let its calming aroma permeate your home, creating a sanctuary of peace. This method is particularly beneficial during those moments when you need to unwind after a long day, or when you're seeking a peaceful atmosphere for maybe meditation or yoga. Another powerful way to harness the benefits of frankincense oil is through direct inhalation. Just place a drop or 2 in the palms of your hand and then gently just breathe them in. This direct method provides an immediate sense of calm, making it perfect for those times when you need a quick stress relief, such as before maybe an important meeting, kids come home from school, or just during a stressful event. Lastly, consider incorporating frankincense into your self-care routine by adding it to your bath. A warm bath infused with a few drops of frankincense oil not only nourishes your skin, but also helps to soothe your nerves, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. Surprising use number 3. Frankincense oil has made a remarkable comeback in the modern skincare routine. It's potent for supporting a healthy inflammatory response and for cleansing the skin, making it a go-to solution for a myriad of skin issues. From reducing blemishes, scarring, to soothing out those wrinkles, frankincense oil is a versatile addition to your beauty arsenal. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at the evidence. Remember my previous video, how to use frankincense oil on your face and frankincense precautions. It was a hit among you and our purpose-driven parents, showcasing not just how to use it, but also the precautions to take. Building on that success, today we're sharing a compelling testimonial that brings the benefits of frankincense oil to life. So meet Emily, a longtime viewer of our channel, who was inspired to incorporate frankincense oil into her daily skincare routine. Emily was struggling with persistent skin blemishes and uneven skin tone, which significantly impacted her confidence. After just 4 weeks of consistent use, the transformation was undeniable. As you can see, Emily's skin is now clearer with a significant reduction in those blemishes and a more even skin tone. Her testimony is a powerful endorsement of the effectiveness of frankincense oil in skincare. Before I share the last surprising benefit, I want to make sure you have all the recipes for frankincense and the top essential oils. You can grab my free essential oils guidebook in the description down below, and if you don't have an oil brand that you love and that you know is 100% pure and effective, you can get the ones that I use for 25% off. I will put the link down in the description. Surprising use number 4. As we delve into the 4th surprising use of frankincense oil, we uncover its remarkable ability to boost our immune systems. Frankincense oil, revered since ancient times for its medicinal properties, is not just a fragrant addition to our homes, but a powerful ally in our health arsenal, especially during the winter seasons when our immune system seems to be under attack the most. Imagine it's the peak of winter. The air is crisp, and while the season brings joy, it also ushers in the unwelcome bugs. This is where frankincense oil steps in, like a guardian, to fortify our immune systems. Its immune boosting properties stem from its ability to increase the production of white blood cells, the body's primary defenders against illness. But how can we harness this ancient remedy in our modern lives? One effective way to utilize frankincense oil and its immune boosting benefits is through aromatherapy. Simply adding a few drops of oil to a diffuser can purify the air in your home, creating an environment that not only smells divine, but also supports your immune system. As the aromatic molecules dance through the air, they work to eliminate airborne boogie monsters, reducing your risk of catching those pesky seasonal bugs. Another method is to create a DIY immunity blend. You combine frankincense oil with other immune-supporting essential oils. It could be anything like lemon, eucalyptus, and tea tree. Mix these with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil and apply the blend to your chest, the back of your neck, the soles of your feet just before bedtime. This not only aids in immune support, but also ensures a restful night's sleep, further enhancing your body's immune function. Now, I invite you to join our growing group, our community here at Discover Natural Solutions. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge on natural remedies, essential oils, and healthy longevity habits that can transform your life and the lives of those that you care about. And if you check the description below, I have ways for you to tap into live classes and our Facebook community if that's something that's helpful for you. And if you have any surprising uses of frankincense, please share them in the comments so that we can learn from your experiences. Your contribution could be the key that unlocks new possibilities for someone in need. And now for a glimpse into the future. In our next video, we'll embark on the exciting exploration of the hidden powers of lavender oil.